Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I've posted a video, and to be honest with you, it's because this bump is huge and I am unable to try on clothes and do fashion videos like I used to do. So I should be having her any day now, and once I have her, hopefully in a couple months, I'll be back to posting more Nordstrom fashion videos. I should actually be done with my maternity leave right before the anniversary sale, so that is perfect timing. That is my favorite time of year, so I am so excited that I'll be back at work in time for the anniversary sale. For today's video, I thought I would just make it super fun. I am so happy with how the nursery turned out. It's very girly, and then I, of course, have the girliest outfits for her. Her name is Ava Jane, and this is my first baby. I am over the moon. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. I'm going to go ahead and start by just showing you her nursery. So when you first enter the room, you see her name up on the wall. My husband and my dad did this accent wall, and my mom painted the room. They did such a good job. And there's the big brother to be, Mr. Jackson. Jackson, are you excited to be a big brother? Oh, he is going to be the absolute best. He loves this room and hanging out here. So when you first walk in, my dad actually made this bow shelf for her because she has so many bows. So he made her a shelf where I could store all of her bows and put all of her books up there. And then this was a last minute purchase, but I went and bought this cheap little bookshelf holder thing just so I could add somewhere to put her wipe warmer and then her sound machine. And then there's a little bit of extra storage down there. And then here is her stroller. We're not going to keep that in here. That's just storage for right now. And it is the Nuna Mix Next. If you want a Nuna car seat and stroller review, let me know. And here is her crib. My friend Kristen crocheted this blanket for her, which is just so precious. And then she also crocheted her this little hat. And then my cousin, Christina, she crocheted her this elephant and this bee right here. I never knew I had that many talented people in my life. And before you guys say anything, these stuffed animals are just here for decoration. Obviously, when I put her in the crib is going to be empty, no blankets, no stuffed animals, just for decoration. Over here by the window is the glider where I can rock her in and feed her. And then it does have a little footrest option that pops out. And then she has a little basket with another blankie with her name on it. And then she has a rocker. Over here we have her little dresser and changing table. And then this mirror is off-centered, but it's on purpose. I want her to be able to see herself when I change her. And then she has a little diaper bin. I want to go ahead and show you guys a few of the cool little items that I got for her. The theme is very, very girly, just like her room. And since I work at Nordstrom, I shop a lot. So every time I see cute baby things, I pick them up. I'll be sure to link them down below if they're still available, but I've accumulated quite a bit of stuff. Some of these items were also gifts, so I didn't get everything for her, but I did get her a whole lot. And I'm so excited about it. And a lot of the stuff I'm going to show you isn't the most practical items I have for her. Obviously, I have a ton of onesies and little sleepers and stuff like that. But I just thought we would have a fun little video where I show all the cute things I got her. One of the first things I got her are these adorable little polarized sunglasses. Let me show you how they look. And she could wear these a long time. These are for, where's the age at? Ages 0 to 2. So look how cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. So cute. These will be perfect for in the pool or when I'm pushing her in a little stroller. I'm sure she'll yank them off and throw them somewhere, but I thought these were adorable. So she has her own little pair of polarized sunnies. And they even come with a dust bag. Isn't that so cute? Next item I got from Nordstrom Rack, and I actually got her 2 of these. One of them I am taking with me to the hospital. So it's a matching headband and sock set. All of her socks look like shoes. I think it's adorable. I didn't buy any shoes for her yet, but I thought the sock set looked like little shoes. Let me give you a better view. Would be so cute, and they have a matching headband, so I am obsessed with these. This is one of the cutest items that I got for her, and I'm so excited about it. And Nordstrom offers, their alterations department offers monogramming, so you can pretty much get anything monogrammed. So I got her name put on this outfit. So it says Ava. And then look at the butt. Isn't that so cute? I can't wait to put this on her. That's like adorable. And it even comes with a little headband. I love it. I can't wait to put her in this. 3 to 6 months, so I need to cool it down. It'll be a little bit before she can wear it, but it's so cute. I got her this little dress with a tulle to it, and it comes with this matching bobo. And I thought this would be cute for her to wear if we go to church or if we're somewhere a little bit more dressy. And this is a 3-month outfit. So cute. Here's another church outfit or just going out somewhere a little bit more dressy. It comes with a bloomers. I love the dresses that have the bloomers with them. I feel like you need that to kind of hide the diaper, but so cute. I have a ton of these for her, but I wanted to show you just like a little sleeper set that she has. I love the flowers, and they come with a hat, but I got her a lot of floral little zippers for sleep time. Okay, this was another item that I had monogrammed with her name on it, and my coworker Maria is so sweet, has bought her a ton of baby stuff, and she bought her this swimsuit. And we added her name to it. Isn't that so cute? I can't wait to put her in the pool because she's going to be here like mid-April. So around June will be like a good pool weather for us. Maybe even sooner. And I have a pool at my house, and I have a community pool too. So I imagine we'll be getting in the pool a little bit to splash around. So that's so cute. She could wear it for little sunnies. This is something when she's a little bit bigger, but it's a jumper. This is for 12 months. But it's so cute. I figured this would be cute for her to just kind of crawl around in. What I got her is off of Etsy. And I basically put a picture of my dog on there. And it says, Jackson's new best friend. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I can't wait for her to wear that. It is going to be a few months until I'm back to filming my normal Nordstrom vlog content and things like that. But do you guys want to see new mom content? Do you want to see day in the life of a first-time mom? Do you want to see the Nuna reviews for the stroller and the car seat? I also have a Halo bassinet. Let me know. I could definitely make reviews for all of those. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.